Oh, okay. Okay. We're here at Fossil Falls Park in St. George, Utah. Guys, are you excited to go out and play and explore a little bit?
Yes!
All right, let's go. So there's supposed to be fossils here?
I don't know, is there?
Why are we here then?
Because it's a park. There's actually a huge slide that the boys don't know about.
Kagan's there.
Out there.
Hey, Kagan.
Hi.
Is this tall?
Yes, and I just went down the slide very fast. Hello.
Hello.
Dad, go to that slide,
Okay.
and I'll be up there in a sec.
All right. Woo! Well, that's cool.
It is very fast.
Was that fun?
It hurts, but yeah.
This is definitely a better park for older kids.
More options.
More options. They can go on the trail. They can, I mean, they're having fun on the big slide here. This is supposed to be the biggest slide in North America, I think, for something, but I can't remember. I'll have to look that one up.
Oh. Oh. You're not lifting your shoes up.
You can go down the slide, you see.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna go?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go. Oh, man. I had my brakes on, too.
So it's the largest concrete slide in Western United States.
This is?
Yeah. I'm wondering how big the one in Kansas City is. Because that's not necessarily the western side, it's mid. I think this one is steeper than the one in Kansas City.
It's definitely slicker.
It's definitely slicker.
Because the one in KC, you have to have cardboard. This one, you can just slide down it.
The one in Kansas City, though, is wider.
Much wider. And has bumps.
Wow. Are they coming?
They're not. They're having too much fun. Don't wear white shoes unless you want to play them.
Such a cool area.
What's up?
Oh, wow. Oh, no, no, no. Ah! I think I backed up. Woo! All right. So, guys, are you worn out now?
I am worn out.
Nah, I just needed water.
Okay. This is a fun place to be. I think so far this is the best park that we've discovered in the St. George area. So if you're looking for something to do, it's a little bit out of the ordinary, it doesn't cost anything, and that older kids can enjoy too, then I would definitely check out this place.
Yes. What do you guys think?
Good.
That was amazing. I am completely burnt out and tired.
Burnt out.
I am. That was so much. That was super fun.
What was your favorite part, guys?
The slide.
The slide. Oh no, you can get her on the slide, so do be careful.
The slide is super fast. Like adults that were going down, they didn't realize how fast it was. Some tips would be remove your shoes is what I've heard or saw a lot of people doing. So then you're not dragging your shoes. Make sure you realize that it's a drop off at the end. So be careful of your tailbone.
And if you go down stomach first like Kagan did, watch out for your head.
Yeah. They have picnic tables. They have sand volleyball.
They've got a trail that goes around the park and around along the river.
I mean, there's a lot to do and we only saw a little bit of it. So definitely come and check it out.
All right, off to the next adventure.
Bye!
Bye.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.